talking.
What guy talking?
The one another guy I see in a movie.
Okay.
He was washing shot.
Oh.
He was washing shot.
Okay.
And Bob's in there.
Bob?
No, his name is Bob, and he came in there, and he came in there.
He came in where?
Shooting, and now he hurt him, and he broke him.
Oh. Did he get hurt?
No, it tickled.
Oh, it just tickled?
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa, I see a guy in there.
Yeah.
Like a wheelchair.
It is a wheelchair.
Yeah.
It's like a handicap sign. Yeah.
No, his name is Handy Jack.
Handy Jack?
Yeah.
A handicap?
Yeah.
Oh.
His name is Handicap.
All right.
Mom, I don't want to say more. Let's